Pinoy's Podcast.
Ano ba yung topic natin sa podcast ngayon, Sir Gloco?
Wow, ang galing mo talaga.
Yun.
Ayun, that's the question I'm talking about. Kasi, wala tayong topic today. Let's go! We are
Napakagaling mo,
just
bro.
here. No. Talaga, wait, listen. So, apparently, sabi na isang, number one fan ng podcast natin. Shoutout kay Deng Chan dyan. Sabi niya, nung last podcast daw, you guys were yapping. You guys were actually yapping.
Bakit? Sige ka.
Sabi daw niya.
Kakabalik lang ni Gloco. Kakabalik lang.
Sabi niya kasi, ba't ang daldal ng mga boys pag wala ka? So I'm like, wow, really? Kasi ako hindi ko pa napapakinggan yung podcast na yun eh. And nanibago daw siya. Like, ang daldal niyo daw pag wala ako. Putang ina niyo pala eh. I don't know what y'all were talking about, but yun yung sabi daw niya. And then sabi daw niya, for the first time daw, parang nag-usap daw kayo na parang, yung mga magkakaibigan na nag-uusap sa kalye, yung mga nakatambay. Yun daw yung feels. So, like, it feels good daw. Kasi parang like, hindi daw, parang
Hindi
dahil
pilit, or
dahil
Hindi
walang
Gloco's podcast.
dahil walang structure yung podcast, you guys were actually able to yap properly. So that's why I'm officially resigning po from the podcast.
Quitting, bro.
Hindi pala ako kailangan, guys. I knew you guys had it in here. See, I'm not needed here as a host.
No. The only reason why we didn't talk about stuff is just because we cannot talk about stuff without your opinions in it.
No, that's the whole thing. That's what I think. That's what people want. You guys just talking about random shit without any structure.
I think nung before kami nag-start nun, may mga nagtanong kasi kami ng kung ano yung pwedeng natin. Pwedeng anong pag-iusapan natin. And sobrang dami, like, you know how, alam mo yung typical Filipino suggestions, like, gusto namin pag-usapan yung issue ngayon. Yung sinasakop na tayo, oh my God, ganun. Sinisip namin, what the fuck? Bakit? Naisip ko lang, bakit natin pag-uusapan ng isang bagay na wala si Gloco? Like, he'd probably have, like, he's probably be yung middle ground natin kasi I personally, I know people are gonna hate me saying this. I don't give a fuck. Alam mo yun? I don't give a shit. Puta na, nag-iisip ako ano susunod kong kakainin. Alam mo yun? Nag-iisip ako ng anong susunod kong kakainin, paano, alam mo yun? Like, nag-iisip ako paano kumita para makakain pa ako susunod. Tapos ngayon, ilalagay ko pa sa utak ko yung percentage na, yun na, ano na tayo, sasakupin na tayo, what the fuck, shit. Alam mo yun? Like, I don't wanna think about it. I don't give a fuck. Alam mo yun? So like, I think, magiging ganun yung lean ng kasi napakinggan ko rin yung I don't know, baka yun din yung isipin nila. So I think that's why we yapped.
I almost
without you.
I mean, like, that's the whole thing, na kasi hindi nyo sinundan yung topic na yun. Kaya hindi kayo nag-base ng sa isang structure. The podcast came out more naturally last time. Yun
I think hindi mo lang kasi pinanood at pinakinggan mo.
Okay, ano ba?
Di ba meron pa rin structure? Tama.
What was the structure? Ano ba yung
Hindi, may structure pa rin na pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga opinions and namin. Hindi lang yung baba, ganun.
But you guys yapped.
Yeah, we did yap.
Oh, di ba? So it's more than the usual daw. Tama?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, diba?
Probably, yeah.
Did we yap? I don't know. I don't think we did.
So,
yap.
yeah. I think we did.
I mean, yung structure kasi ng podcast na ginawa namin nung wala ka is more of like everyone's like lahat may input.
May input.
Yeah.
Oo, yun din.
Para maging buo yung maging buo yung the whole thing. Like, ang pangit naman, guys. Tapos na yung podcast, tas yung isa di pa nag-i-explain ng kung anong gusto niyang sabihin, di ba? At bakit naging ganito yung ganito. Ang pangit naman. So like, hindi buo, okay?
I think
maybe that's what Deng Chon feel.
Isa pang comment daw kasi usually like I think the past podcast before that parang we decided na okay, if we're gonna talk, someone has to let the other guy talk properly. And then unusual, di ba, ang ginagawa natin pag may topic is we go through everyone. Like ikaw try nila ano sa tingin mo to, or sunod naman si Chris, Ang nangyari daw sa podcast na yung sa last podcast was you guys were just free talking. Like,
Yes.
wala naman sumasabat, pero like, wala yung structure na yun na, ano sa tingin mo, Ken? Ano sa tingin mo, John? Ano sa ano yan? It's like everyone had to say everyone wanted to say something.
Kasi
Yun
may,
daw yung nangyari.
well, most of the time kasi ng mga past podcast, wala akong insight or wala akong alam sa masyado sa ano na yun. Kaya
Yeah,
di
kasi
ako
wala kami paki sa topic dito.
Hindi na
Alam
kasi
mo
ganun.
bakit?
Wala lang
Kasi
akong
ikaw
mapasok.
yung topic namin nun.
Lahat may masasabi.
Okay, so y'all talk smack about me. Okay, alright.
Yeah, bro. We talk shit
you
about
think?
you, bro.
You think?
Yung pininood eh.
Daming bala eh. Dami niya bala. Oy!
Hindi mo pinanood.
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan? Trinil.
Hindi ko talaga papanoorin.
Ano,
yan.
6 p.m.
Damn, bro. Actually, yeah, I'll probably listen to it soon. Kasi I've always wanted to hear how it would. Pero like, I had this preconception na maybe these guys are gonna yap so much kasi wala ako eh. Walang magmamanage nung podcast. So, medyo tama pala ako. This fucking Anyway, so that's what I wanna see if we can try and ease up on something similar. You know, something na a podcast na wala talagang topic. You know, let's just talk about whatever, man. If for example, yung kay John, yung sinabi niya, ano yan? Ano yung topic na sinabi mo? Yung sinasakop na tayo?
Sasakop
Sasakop
na
na
tayo.
tayo.
And you want me to be the
yan.
middleman? Bro, did you not see yung dating nangyari sa akin? I almost got canceled for that shit.
Bakit eh? Hindi nakasakop pa tayo.
Hindi. Like, may pinost ako about being neutral. Okay? Being neutral.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Okay, remember that? Okay, and
So,
then...
I mean, yun kasi, like, you're neutral, pero I think, mas malala yung akin, wala akong paki.
No, kasi...
I'm not neutral, bro.
I get your point kasi. Kasi ako, sabi ko, puta ngayon na, if I'm gonna speak out on certain issues, it's more of like, I think, at the back of my mind, iniisip ko rin, like, will I come out as a hypocrite if I say my piece about something or if I feel strongly about something? Kasi for example, yan sa sinasakop na tayo. I'm pretty sure di ka naman neutral, John. It's more of like, at the moment, wala kang pake. Kasi, you're at the moment, ang iniisip mo, yung kabuhayan mo. Tama?
Yes.
Hindi naman yung puta kayo na yung...
Di naman personally naapektuhan yung ginagawa mo. Parang ganun.
Okay, so...
Parang you don't give a fuck.
I get the sabihin mo ng mga tao, you're just saying that because you're coming from a point of privilege. Valid rin naman. Pero at the same time, like, let's say for example, other issues within the country. Bigla, ibabanggit na. So, what do you think about this? Tapos sasabihin din natin na wala tayong alam. So, why would we speak up strongly about something if we don't have enough information about that? Is it our job to know about that information? Maybe, but everyone has their own problems to deal with. What if we don't have the time to deal with such problems? Kasi ang dami nating iniisip na iba just to survive. Parang ganun. So, people are just, tawag na, what was that word? Virtue signaling. Kumbaga.
Damn, Gloco, damn.
What do you mean, damn?
Sinabi ko lang damn kasi you started this podcast na para sabi mo na, maganda yung last podcast, walang structure, walang ano, and then you proceeded to like do the same shit na walang nagsasalita kasi no one gives a damn.
No
one gave a damn!
Exactly, see?
Kailan ako last nanood ng TV?
Exactly. See,
gets ko naman
exactly.
yung sinasabi mo.
This is exactly what
So
I
ayan
mean.
guys, pag-uusapan na lang namin kung bakit kami
Wala
lalaki, okay? Bakit kami
Pag-usapan
dumaan
namin
ng
kung
high school?
bakit namin hindi pag-uusapan yung mga gusto nyong pag-usapan namin. Okay. Yun. Tama.
I mean, as
Kasi
much as
sa
I
akin
want
naman,
to,
eh.
ano?
Parang kahit mag-opinion tayo, like sabihin natin may opinion si John, si Ken, si Chris. Pero parang wala rin namang mangyayari. Like gusto lang nila malaman yung ano natin, which is wala nga.
Oo.
Pero wala rin.
Pili tayo kung ano
Alam
yung
mo.
issue dun tayo, okay? Lahat tayo marites.
I mean,
Love drama, okay?
I mean,
Twitch,
ito, as much as I want to talk about those stuff, it's...
Di ba gusto ni Chris yun? Chris Games.
No, not Chris. Kaya, this is why we're not having a...
Like an idol.
Patapusin mo muna! Puta na! As much as I want to talk about it, you're not the proper people to like talk about
it. Yeah.
Talk about it, yeah. Like
We're the commoners, bro.
yeah, but like I have my own opinions about it. Like, I have my own insights about it. But would you understand what am I about to say here, kumbaga?
Yeah.
This is
Like-
not the right place to like talk about it. Kumbaga.
Yeah, like sabihin ko bang malabo tayo sa coffee because we have US or the China is too dependent to the other people's economic ties to wage war. You're not gonna understand the details and bullshit of that if I explain it to you. This is not a proper place to like talk about it dito sa podcast na to.
Exactly, bro.
So this is
recent experience na lang. Ang ina, nag-uusap tayo ng mga ganito sa podcast. Putay, nagiinuman nga sa labas, nag-uusap about Dota tsaka LOL po tayo. Bakit? Diba, like, what the fuck is this shit?
There was this one evening. Recent lang yun eh. Kasi kakain yata tayo nun, Nil.
Kakain tayo. What the fuck? Ha? Kayo ba?
Hindi,
kayo.
Kasama ka.
Tatlo tayo.
Umalis tayo, di ba? Okay, so pagkabukas ko nagbubukas ako ng gate. Tayo na, maingay yung mga lasing. Pero they were like, alam mo parang yung bosses nila, parang engaged sila in a certain discussion, you know? Like yung madiin na yung mga bosses nila, like they were trying to make a point. And then yung topic nila is about how balanced Dota is. Like they were having a podcast sa labas. And then parang ang narinig ko is, balance ba talaga yung Dota? Sabi nila, balance yung Dota, ganyan. The other guy would say, hindi, kasi parang ganito, ganyan. And then napunta sa, they were shitting on League of Legends. Parang sinabi nila, may crypt block ba sa League of Legends? Walang crypt blocking sa League of Legends. Kaya ang dali-dali ng League of Legends eh. Tignan mo, palaruin mo yung isang tao ng na isang Dota player ng League of Legends, makukuha niya yun after 5 minutes. Literally what other people have been saying. Pinag-uusapan ng mga tambay sa labas. And they were so into it. So, ayun. So yeah, just to clarify guys, baka sabihin nyo, napaka-apolitical naman ng Pinoy's place. It's not about being apolitical. We're not. We have our own opinions about it. But it's just that this is not the fucking place to talk about it. Okay? Gusto ko ba makipag-usapan ng politics with Ken? Fuck no. probably
what the hell?
Probably he won't even say much about it. Would I talk about politics with Trident? Probably fuck no as well. Would I talk about politics with Chris? Probably yes. With John, no, kasi he's busy with other things. So ganun lang. You guys have to understand na you guys probably want a lot of topics for us to cover. There are just some topics na you guys is better off, listening it to or hearing it from other people. Ano pa ba yung topics na sinabi nila other than that? Yung mga request nila.
That was like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah. So like, well, what else? Like, if there was a topic na parang hindi nyo pwede i-discuss kasi wala ako, what else was that? Ano pa yun?
Dr.
Alice Go.
Ayun, kaya Alice Go din.
Alice Go.
Hindi ko nga makilala yun kung di pa naging meme. Hindi ko pa maano.
Kita nyo yan?
Doon ko lang na-discover.
See, that's how you put people or educate people about current issues. Memes.
No one watches them.
Oh, see?
Yeah. This generation, no one watch news. The only people who watch news at this point are basically people who have TV or they're millennials or boomers.
I kind of remember na parang people memed so much about stuff happening about what was that country with Pakistan versus if it's still going on, right? So people memed so much about it to the point na parang even super young people were getting into it and started virtue signaling other people even though they don't really know what's going on, and then they were taking sides and all that shit. So ayan So guys, kung gusto nyo na magkaroon pa ng mas maraming pake yung mga tao sa nangyayari sa current affairs ng bansa natin, just meme it. Kay Alice Go, meme. Ano ba yung current issue ngayon? Si Willie Revilla may ano yan? Pinapagalitan yung mga stuff niya on during live.
Hindi ko alam.
Ngayon, minimim na rin yun ngayon.
Hindi ko nakita.
Dati pa yun, hindi naman bago yun.
Well, bago yun. That's news to me. That's news to me.
I don't know.
Speaking of Alice Go, meron lang ako gusto ko ikwento. Di ba taga dito ako sa Tarlac, right?
Oh, shit.
Alice
Go, apologies ka pa.
Hindi, umuwi kami ni Binky. Takina mo. Umuwi kami ni Binky sa Pampanga to visit their parents. Tapos may nakikita kami dun sa bridge ng Pampanga like, we love you, Miss Alice Go, mga ganyan. Tapos from the Alice Go youth.
Alice Go youth?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Yan nakalagay sa bridge. Like, we love you, Miss Alice, parang ganyan. Tapos yung nalaman ng about real identity ni Alice Go. Like, the next time we go to Pampanga, all of the fucking posters and tarpaulins about it are gone now. Ripped apart in a bridge. I was like, where is it now? Where is it now?
Eh, what happened to her? Ano ba?
Ingat ka
Nakulong
dyan,
na ba siya?
Chris. Tago-tago ka na dyan, Chris.
Ano na?
Idol.
They kind of, I don't know. Ang nangyayari ata nga sa Senate is like, they know now the real identity of Alice Go. It's
no
co-hopping. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And tag dito, parang impeach na siya sa sa pagiging mayor ng Bamban.
Ang ang nakakaano doon, hinihintay daw ng gobyernong sumuko si Alice Guo. So, nang nakita ko yun, bakit? Ba't hinihintay nila? Eh, dapat nga, di ba, hulihin na, ganyan.
I don't know, man.
Welcome to the Philippines.
I don't know how our justice system works. Kung paano i-exploit yung mga loopholes and stuff like that. But yeah, I think feeling ko, yung Senate natin, mga content creators din yan. Okay, they're trying to milk the shit out of this issue, you know? Like,
malapit na election eh.
Si Risa Montevero, sila, like, ang dami nilang pinopost diba sa mga sariling pages nila. They meme the shit. They're memeing the shit out of it as well. Sila mismo. Maybe they're maybe content creators din sila. You know? Like,
so malapit na yung election. Kaya sira-sira ulit yung mga daan. Malalaman mo lang na pa-election na kung yung mga daang buo, sira.
Parang yung sa atin, no?
Legit yun.
Ina yung nangyayari sa congressional sa labas. Like,
diba? Ayos nun na. Tapos,
I mean, yung kabila, okay lang. Okay yung kabila. Yung sa kanan banda, papuntang Muñoz sa atin.
Papuntang Muñoz, o...
What the fuck is this?
Like,
akala ko flat yung motor ko, gago, nagdi-drift.
You know what's fucked up? Yung sa sa Nueva Ecija rin. Literally, like a day before ako bumisita doon, nakita ko yung mga posts about someone wrecking the fucking street. Yung binubutasan. Tapos pag yung the next day pumunta ako doon, putang ina, ang dami ng butas. Tapos it's causing mass traffic around the area. As in nagkakaroon ng bottleneck doon. Tapos sabi ko, putang ina, napanood ko lang to sa memes. Tapos ngayon eto na, I'm experiencing it. Ang lala nung traffic pa, you can be stuck there for around 10 minutes na walang kasi hahayaan nila, papapasukin muna nila. Nagiging one way eh. So isisignal muna nila, okay, itigil mo muna yung isang side for 10 minutes and allow every other other cars to go there. Magkakaroon na ng mahabang linya dun sa kabila. It's just so stupid kasi for the week before ako pumunta doon, ang ganda pa nung kalsada. Kasi ang ganda. I don't know why they would do that. Why would they wreck it and then fix it and then wreck it again?
Explain nyo nga sa amin sa comments kung bakit. Pero may
I'm
nabasa
sure,
ko na
we know why. People are...
May nabasa ko malaki daw yung kickback.
Oo, yun na yun.
Kasi substandard lang yung, I don't know, yun yung nabasa ko.
No, people need jobs. That's why they take it on the fucking roads.
No! Hindi yun.
Di mo gets nil. Like, people need jobs at the same time, yung nagkikickback, ang dami rin nakukuha, okay? So, let's say for example, yung budget ng putang ina yun, let's say for example, pag matinong tao yung gumawa nun, siguro it's just gonna cost like 200,000 pesos. Pero tangina, ilalagay nila in paper is around 1 million. So, yung 700,000,
sheesh!
Kupit! Okay?
Sheesh!
That's what happens with most government
We're done, bro.
fucking
We're cooked.
Projects.
We're cooked.
Ito ba? Tama yung nangyari, yung isang mini-meme ngayon, see? I always reference mini-meme, hindi balita, hindi binalita, mini-meme. Was that fucking PWD ramp somewhere? Nakita niyo yun?
That shit was funny, bro.
Yung
PWD meme.
Sponsored by Red Bull.
May natawa ako, may meme doon na yung cartoon.
Yung
may wheelchair.
Ay, si Princess Sarah.
Princess Sarah.
Nilaglag
Yun ang nakita ko eh.
May nakita rin akong meme doon po tayo na 2 weeks ng paggamit ng meme day po tayo na batakan na.
Kaya yan, PW. Ano yan?
Yung in-interview yung doon, sabi, ginawa po namin yun kasi hindi abot yung elevator kasi tatama na po sa parang bridge nila para daw sa mga PWD.
Dude, kahit PWD ako, hindi ko gagamit. Bro, I look at that fucking ramp. Hindi ako dude, I'm not physically disabled. Pero I wouldn't fucking walk there. Feeling ko madudulas ako. Feeling ko like magkakaroon ako ng ankle sprains just by crossing or walking on that piece of shit. Ang bobo. Sobrang bobo. Pero syempre, gagawin niya kasi may kickback si Foreman. I don't even know kung ano. Ano tawag ng mga project heads? Whatever, man. Tapos tangina, dinefend pa ng MMDA. It's so bad. It's so bad. Our country's cooked. It's cooked.
At alam mo ba?
Ano? Ano yung training?
Isa sa Manila. Sa pinaka-risky. Wow!
Of course it is. Kaya good luck kay iShowSpeed. Putang ina, wag ka bumisita dito sa Manila.
Ay, gago, pupunta daw siya.
Philippines on top.
Kasi doon makita si Manny Pacquiao.
Pumunta ka sa Cebu. Pumunta ka na lang sa Jensen. Gago, wag kang pumunta dito sa Manila.
Okay, pupunta dito sa Manila.
I saw that
Gusto
post.
niyo makita si Manny.
Nakita ko yung post na ano yan.
Beanie.
Hindi sa
Ay,
Bini.
Bini din.
Wait, sinabi niya ba?
Sunod yung Bini. Sunod yung Bini.
Minention niya eh.
Hindi, si minention niya yun, yung
Beanie?
kay Speed, yeah.
No, it's
Ay, di
more
ko
of like,
napanood
come to
yun.
the Philippines and meet Bini. And then he was like,
Bini
who the
Mook
fuck is
something.
Bini? Ganun. Who's Bini Muka? Ganun. Tapos sabi daw niya, oh yeah, I'm coming to the Philippines. Excited for the Philippines. Tapos yung comment section, punta ka daw Tondo. Punta ka Tondo agad. Okay, typical. Pero ito yung ang karamihan ng comments ng mga Pinoy doon is winawarningan siya na yung mga tao daw doon, lalo na yung mga bata, they will definitely spam the N-word. They will. I can't wait to fucking see that on stream, bro. I cannot wait all the clips of all the freaking kids saying the N-word.
They're just gonna say,
It's gonna call out na ganito pala sa Pilipinas eh. Mga racist yung mga Pinoy.
They're just gonna say that unironically, hindi katulad na nangyari sa So isang
Good luck
the N-word is like book and in that language. But
you know what? I take it back. We're not. It's not gonna come off racist. I take it back. That's just how kids are. Unironically, dito sa Pinas, they hear a word and they think it's cool, so they say it. Although alam nila it's gonna be a bit of an insult, pero they don't really know the social repercussions of saying such words. So they're just gonna keep saying it.
Yeah, imagine mo nga, mga bata dito, malaman lang na taga-Germany ka, bigla natataas yung kamay nila eh.
Mga bata mo, Chris. Mga bata mo.
Mga atabs mo pala idol eh.
Ano pa ba? So yeah, Speed is coming here. I don't know when. I'll probably not be in the Philippines by then because I'm going to the UK this August. Oh, my visa got approved. Let's fucking go.
Hey!
Fuck yeah.
Hindi ako masaya.
Goodbye.
Wag ka masaya.
Fucking bye, guys, for another 6 months. I'll talk about that next time. And then it's a Beanie.
Next time, what the fuck?
Do y'all want to talk about Beanie?
I don't wanna talk about it, bro.
I don't wanna.
Nah, I don't really.
Sabi nila, sino bias mo? No, bro. I want the song.
Sino bias sa kay Beanie?
Bias
Wala
ko.
akong alam mo.
Si Binira.
Si Binira po, tangina mo.
Si Banira.
Binira.
Banira daw.
Do you guys like Beanie? Do you guys have anything?
I just want the song, not the yung ba't ka tanong nila yung bias mo yun? I don't get it.
Wala namang mali kung wala kang bias or ano.
Ba't ka nakikinig ng Beanie tapos wala kang bias? Bandwagoner ka lang pala eh. Ganun yung mga.
Just like the song, putik.
Bias ko si Mika Mot.
Si boss yun eh. Boss!
Si
I don't get
Bossing.
it.
Hindi humor. Guys, lahat ng nakikinig ko di po humor ni Gloco si
Malupiton.
Si kamukha ko, si Malupiton. Hindi yan na
Ako rin eh, hindi rin eh.
Hindi rin si Jan.
Anything na trending sa mga Pinoy, hindi ko ano yun. Okay.
Hindi po Pinoy si Gloco.
Hindi pa ako.
Hindi mo siya.
60% di Pinoy.
Beanie though, like I think I like their songs.
Yeah, I like their song.
Yung nag-drive ako sa Japan, yun yung playlist. Kasi si Deng Chan, she likes Beanie. Idol niya si Colette. No? Yung mukhang ibon.
Yung Stuart Little.
Stuart Little, na ibon. Pag sinabi niya,
eh.
I don't even know yung actual mukha ni Beanie. Ay, ni Beanie. Actual mukha ni Colette.
May mukha si Beanie!
Puta.
Wala na sila mukha ngayon, bro. Jabawokis na sila.
Ng mga ng mga members.
Yeah,
Beanie ba?
Ang naaalala ko lang, pag sinabi nila Beanie, kasi sino yung member na kilala mo, ang lumalabas sa akin, yung ano yan? Yung meme photo, na si Beanie Gwen, as in literally yung Gwen ng Ben 10. Tapos si Beanie Colette, yung yung ibon. Hindi yun sa Stuart Little. Yung sa yun? Backyardigans ba? Ay, hindi. What the fuck? No, the other kids show. yung may mga, fuck, it's like, it's a kid's show. Tapos
What
may
color
like
of the bird? What color of the bird?
Yellow.
It is
It is Stuart Little.
It is, ayun no?
It is Stuart Little. Yeah, it is Stuart
Pagka-type
Little.
ko pala ng Stuart Little, lumabas agad yung Stuart Little bird. I think sobrang daming nag-search itong putang ina to yung mga nagmi-meme.
So anyways, yeah, like if you ask me about Beanie Colette, yun yung lalabas na image sa utak ko. Okay. Hindi yung actual na mukha niya. I don't even know, man. So,
ano ba yung issue nila? Sige daanan na lang natin.
Wait, may issue ba sila? No, I'm just saying, I
Meron.
just want to talk about Beanie because
Meron, tinatalk shit sila, cancel sila ng Facebook.
bakit?
Why?
Ay, ano, tingin kayo sa GC para makita nyo.
Basically,
Yeah, actually, I know that. I kind of know that.
Yeah.
Meron.
Apparently, parang nowadays.
So, nung pumunta sa Cebu.
Okay,
Beanie po,
to give you guys an idea, okay.
Siya na idol eh. Loko mo ko eh.
Gago kayo. Tayo maka-cancel sa pinagtitripan. Oh guys, so tinagtitripan ni Neil yung Beanie, oh. Oh,
Beanie, ibang grupo yan.
Neil. Kanina ka pa,
Beanie,
kulit. Tapos ano, grabe ka na kanina ka pa.
Cancel niyo si
Okay,
Neil.
to give you guys an idea. Okay, let's touch upon this. Okay, kasi I think it's so fucking dumb. Ang mga Pinoy talaga.
Yun nga.
So,
Ano?
you know how idols in other countries, when they arrive in an airport, usually, di ba, parang nakamask sila, ganun, and, or nakatakip yung mga mukha nila and all that shit. Okay. And now, some people are shitting on Beanie because they did the same. Kasi ano ba yan? Ang ano, pasikat pa lang kayo, ang ano nyo na, ang arrogante nyo at snabero na kayo, ganun. And I'm like, fucking these fucking people, napaka-entitled na mga puki na inang mga ganung klaseng fans. Kasi let's say for example, ako yung Beanie, syempre kakalapag ko lang sa ano, I'm not there to perform agad, 'di ba? Malay mo, hindi ako naka-makeup or I'm shit-faced from the flight and all that stuff. I don't want people taking pictures of me like that. It's not the time and place, 'di ba? And that's the same thing kung bakit ganun din yung ibang mga foreign pop idols. So, ayun, nag-trend yata on sa social media na yun nga, like, people are trying to cancel Beanie for being like that. And obviously, yung mga taong may sense talaga, pinagtanggol yung Beanie about it. And now, which is, issue na yun. And now, I think recently lang, nag-post ulit yung Beanie. Putang ina, and I kind of respect them for doing this. Nag-post sila, naka full-on Jabberwockies sila.
Nakakita ko pero di ko na-get.
Naka-hoodie tsaka naka-mask.
Naka-hoodie na sila and naka-mask. So they doubled down on the haters and they did it really well. So, yun, hats off to Beanie for doing that. Oh, ano Chris? Anong what?
Mga Gen Z talaga.
The fuck? You're Gen Z.
Sino yung ano?
I am Gen Z.
Sino yung
Hindi Beanie yun eh. Sino yung parang gamer na ano rin ng PR? Parang nanonood ng PR?
Si Trinil.
MNL ba?
Ay, sabi ni Vanilla, ano?
Alam ko eh. MNL ba?
Si Vanilla.
MNL.
Parang, yun, MNL48. Di ko na maalala pangalan eh.
Na what?
Nanonood ng PR.
Yung si Andy.
So
ano?
Shout out Andy.
Shout out
Andy. Wala, syempre. Same ano sila, category sila eh.
What the fuck? Just because we're talking about Beanie, you're gonna insert...
Hindi, inisip ko lang. Baka may gamer ka ako sa Beanie. Tapos sa
gamer nga ba sa Beanie? I don't know.
I don't know.
But anyways, I like their songs.
Chill.
I
naman yung kanta nila eh.
I was listening to it for...
Salamin sa indak na panahon.
Ang pinaka sumabog sila is ewan ko lang kung tama.
Yung
Pantropiko.
Doon ko lang din sila narinig. Pantropiko, yun.
Oo.
Balik tayo sa kanina, meme nga talaga yun. Nalaman ko kung bakit nag-i-exist yung kantang Pantropiko dahil dun sa puta ng AI.
Sa ilang ano?
AI.
Yung AI shit, yung inedit yung
Darama! Oh shit!
Ito ba'y kantutan na? Gatang inang kanta talaga. I cannot get it out my head, bro.
Why don't I know that? What the fuck?
You interacted to it, bro.
Bro,
Ikaw nga nag-share, ha?
What the fuck? Wala akong alam
Ganyan
dyan.
lyrics to share, bro.
No. What the fuck?
Si Royce ata nag-share.
Why would I share Beanie stuff? I've never shared Beanie stuff.
Oh shit.
It was a meme, bro.
Good thing I haven't encountered that.
Pero parang recently ko lang din nalaman eh. Kala ko nga industry implant din. Matagal na pala sila nagano talaga. Like nag sila.
Go ng music.
Basta may class ng mga ganun.
What do you mean class?
Like they went to like ano ba tawag sa ganun?
Mga workshops.
Workshop.
Workshops.
Yeah,
I think that's the standard now. You know? Pero ngayon lang ba nagkaroon ng ng what do you call it?
Issue?
No. Kasi, nang ganito kalaking girl group sa Pinas.
Puta, di mo
Feeling
ba alam yung
ko-
sex bomb? Di joke lang.
I know, sex bomb.
Pababa na pababa.
Hindi
Di mo
nung
ba
ganito,
alam yung-
I think,
Viva
lang
Hot
kasi ngayon
Babes.
Puta, dati wala namang, like, sobrang liit lang ng, ng tawag ito, yung K-pop.
Oo.
Fan ka ba ng 2NE1? Like, mga ganun. Like, wala,
Really?
di naman ganito ka lakas ng waves ng K-pop. Ngayon lang talaga, like, kasi K-pop, yung mga babae, lalaki groups.
Wait, does
Well,
Beanie
I used to be a
give
K-pop
off?
fan.
Yeah, does Beanie give off K-pop vibes?
Puta, have you not
Yeah.
seen the cherry on
It's
top?
P-pop. It's
No.
P-pop, boy.
Bago lang ata yun, yung cherry on top.
It's P-pop,
Yeah,
yeah.
exactly.
P-pop is a thing here in the Philippines.
Like the way I see K-pop kasi parang oh shit it's like oh shit they're talking about sweet shit and then yung itsura ng yung vibes ng music video sila palagi parang sobrang vibrant sa mata to the point na pag pinanood mo siya for straight 24 hours mabubulag ka or may enhance yung vibrance ng putang ina ng mata mo yung kulay alam ganun yun
Yeah. Yeah, that's
like
true,
legit
though.
like the way the aesthetic is parang ganun palagi it's like so harsh.
Is
I
that
don't
is
know.
that
It's for
that
the people
how-
that enjoying.
is that how Beanie does it?
I mean, it's yung
Yun ba?
recent nila music video. I watched like 10 seconds of it.
Damn. Ano pangalan ng new video nila?
Cherry on top ata.
Cherry on top.
Okay, akala ko Pop
Nag-react
the
nun
Cherry.
si Pokemon eh. Pop the
Ah,
cherry, bro.
I thought it was Pop the Cherry. Tangin na Pop the Cherry. My bad. Sorry, Beanie. Wag niyo cancel. Ano ba tawag sa mga Beanie peeps?
Binignit.
Mga binignits?
Dito.
Ano, alam ni Trinil. Alam ni Trinil.
Ayoko.
Alam ni Neil mo tayo na.
Ayaw,
Isa din si
kagaguhan na
Alvin
naman
Trinil.
iniisip ko eh.
O, di, wag mong sabihin yung kagaguhan. Hindi ka naman pinipilit.
Sabihin sa'yo ng
may
fans.
tawag
Puta,
dun
keep it to
eh.
yourself.
I think it starts with B. Ano yan?
Yes, beanies.
What the fuck is that? Beanies? What the fuck are you?
Beanies.
Why are you making ninja
Why we even talking
signs?
about beanie? Holy shit! Ilang minutes na to?
Biniverse.
Beanie?
Ayun, beanie. Di ba yan yung
Ay,
pangalan
alam
naman
ko
nila?
na! I remember. Blooms. Oh, putang ina, mas mailang pa pala ako sa inyo. Mga
Why?
baga. Blooms? I don't know
Why?
why. What the fuck? Don't ask me.
Ang alam ko lang goons eh.
But yeah. No, I mean, just, mad respects na lang sa Beanie, I guess, just to close off this topic. Kasi ako,
Okay,
I'm not a K-pop fan. I find K-pop cringe, to be honest, because I can't vibe. I can't really can't.
Damn! Sabihin
I
sa'yo
can't
ng mga
buy.
K-popers.
Oh, sabi ng K-pop. Ba't sinabi mo na cringe yung K-pop? You didn't have to say that. I'm just saying na like that's why.
I'm just saying.
I'm just saying. It's not, K-pop is not cringe. I just find it cringe. That's why I
So,
don't.
kailan tayo
like a
gagawa
pet
ng
peeve.
music?
Never. Why would people
A pet
wanna
peeve,
hear about?
K-pop.
No, K-pop is a pet peeve.
Damn, bro.
For me.
Did you
You know.
do you not enjoy to anyone?
I did. Pero I wouldn't.
So, what the hell, man?
I
So,
wouldn't.
why are you saying that?
Yun ba yun?
No,
Oh, shit,
but
nobody-
I wouldn't unironically listen to K-pop. Like para sa free
I
time
think
ko,
ano
puta,
lang,
I would
like,
blast
I think-
K-pop music. No, I wouldn't do that.
No. Like, I
Blackpink.
think ano lang. No. I think it's more of like era type shit.
Oh,
Dahil
di ba
sa
sa
era, dahil sa
Blackpink,
era
di ba ano mo si Lisa dun?
Na si Lisa lang. I don't listen to
Oh,
their
diba?
music. I just like
Actually,
I just
Lisa's
like to
ano.
look at her. That's it.
Actually, Lisa is being a solo artist right now.
Oh, diba? See?
Yeah.
Ganun naman talaga eh. They end up there.
Dami
Da-
like
dati nung
Blackpink
ano eh.
twice,
Hit them
21.
with the Max
Dati na second year eh. Fan ako ng K-pop eh. Kasi I have like a friend to vibe it with until fourth year, until ako na lang yung nakikinig ng K-pop dun sa kasi nag-transfer na ako ng school. I was like, man, I feel like a weirdo here. You know, I'm just gonna stop doing this now. Kasi wala na akong kakwentuhan about whatever's happening to K-pop and then
Yeah, I would
And
never
now-
imagine
And
it.
now suddenly, K-pop is now the thing, Like, if you don't like K-pop,
Everyone
you're
is-
probably gonna get bullied, bro. Hindi ka fan ng SB19?
SB19 is not K-pop.
Yan na yung
I
kanang
know,
tawag
it's
yan.
K-pop, okay? But, you know what I mean.
Ano yung kinatawag yan?
Anong kinanta ko? What do you mean? Anong kinanta ko?
Yung durot-duro.
Do, Max Verstappen, what do you mean?
Ganyan nangyari kay Chris eh.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Kahapon.
Kahapon sa ano? We're not gonna talk about
Naging ano
that.
siya.
No, we're not gonna talk
Naging
about that.
Blackpink.
We're not gonna talk about that.
Talk
Hindi
about
pa yung nangyari yun, Si Trinil
Dahil
ka
hindi
nang
pa
naninira ka
nangyari.
ng timeline Trinil eh.
Yeah.
Holy shit,
Naninira ka
what
ng timeline. Tira mo kaya hindi namin pinag-uusapan eh. Tapos biglang sisingitin, no?
Oh shit,
Wala
sorry. Replay.
Na
Wala
guys.
sa memo niya.
Wala sa memo niya. Kasi may nangyari sa amin kahapon guys. Okay, PR thrice. Pero hindi pa namin pag-uusapan ngayon. Next time na.
Yes.
Pag na-upload na yun. Okay. Para hindi
Next
masira
year,
yung
next year.
timeline. Kang naninirang timeline nil. Okay? God damn.
Sorry na.
Okay.
Ano na
So,
pag-usapan natin?
I don't really know. Like, talked about, ano pa ba yung topic na sinabi ng mga tao doon? Kasi for sure, tinanong nila yung Beanie. Tinanong nila yung sinasakang
Beanie.
Beanie.
Go back ako.
I don't think did they?
Yeah, sabi nila, sino bias mo? Ganun. Inano na yun sa comment.
Ayun, sinabi ko na yung bias ko. Wala.
Wala rin.
Wala rin
Favorite
ang
brand ko nga. Wala, di ko alam ang pangalan ng mga ano eh.
Ng mga member.
Members, si Okay One Rock. Di ko alam yung mga pangalan.
Okay.
Alam dyan.
Okay, One Rock.
Sino yun?
Japanese ano.
One Okay Rock.
One Okay Rock. Yun yung ano.
You fumbled.
Okay, One Rock.
Hindi ko
Okay,
alam yung
One
mga pangalan
Rock.
nila. What the fuck? Wala, nasaan na ba yung post natin?
Maybe we should ask AI what we should talk about.
Ayun, San Juan Festival!
Ayun, San Juan Festival.
Wow!
Dude, I've never
tubig!
I've never experienced yung San Juan Festival.
Oh, I think nung ako, nung
kasagsagan yun ng ano eh.
shoutcast
Never ko
pa
pa
ako ng
na-experience.
Mineski.
Ano nangyari sa train?
Nung dumaan yung jeep doon.
Oh,
Di ba sa ako?
nagalit ka? Nainis ka ba,
I mean,
Trinil?
First time ko lang na may basaan pala doon.
Ano na-feel mo?
Di basa.
Ano nga na-feel mo nang binasa ka? Naperwisyo ka ba? Nabisit ka?
Siyempre, perwisyo. Pupunta ka sa work. Mayroon ngang mga kwento na nababasa na parang i-interviewin siya sa ibang bansa na tapos nabasa siya, di siya nakapunta. Tapos yung mga kasabay niya, nakuha siya, hindi.
Ba't di siya pumunta? Nabasa lang naman siya. Hindi naman
Nabasa
siya
na
namatay.
siya.
Hindi naman siya na-injure.
Interview kasi yun kay...
Okay lang, punta ka doon, pasok ka doon sa office, sa interviewer, tanungin ka, ba't ka nabasa? Oh, that's a funny freaking story. You see, there's a festival happening in San Juan and I got wet as a freaking duck.
San Juan yung San Juan yung pangalan ng festival.
Okay nga.
Bata-bata.
Wata-Wata Festival, Basaan Festival. Oo nga, Festa ng San Juan. Siyempre, sa San Juan lalo yung i-celebrate. Doon nga nainis yung mga tao eh. Pag dumaan ka ng San Juan na mababasa ka. But anyway, it's like to the point na I would understand if, let's say, na nasira yung phone mo. Wala ka na ibang excuse doon. Pero let's say, for example, you're going on to a job interview or you're going to work. And do you really have to go to work? I mean, it's mendokse to go to work na basa ka, of course. Pero I don't think your boss should hold it against you na hindi ka pupunta doon na...
Siyempre, mahihiya ka ron.
Oh, mahihiya ka. Pero it's not really grounds for you to get fired. Tama?
It's not really getting fired.
Hindi getting fired. Di pa nga nakakapasok sa
it's not
work eh.
Oo nga. Pero it's not... Hindi parang... what do you call this?
Di pa nga natatanggap yung tao eh.
That's another thing. Pag halimbawa, if your life really what do you call this? Dependent. If yung kabuhayan mo nakasalalay doon sa interview na yon, nabasa ka, would that stop you to go there? I'm not victim blaming here, by the way.
Victim blaming ka?
Inaano ko lang dito.
Victim blaming si Gloco.
What the fuck? Nah. I'm just saying you can still hold those people accountable for what's gonna happen. Pero parang I don't think it's an excuse para masabi na nawalan ka ng trabaho dahil nabasa ka. Unless nasira yung nasira yung phone mo.
Yung mga documents nga nagagamit.
There you go, yung documents. Okay,
diba?
pag nabasa yung documents, yan, valid yan. That's why I'm pointing the fact na kung nasira yung mga bagay na kailangan mo for work, yun, valid yun. Pero kung nabasa ka lang and then you need to go to a job interview, would it be a freaking... I'm not sure how job interviews work here.
I think job interviews you
Grabe
need to
ka, di ka kasi
bring a resume.
nakapag-interview.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah. You need to bring a resume, your other papers.
So you can't just
experience that.
So you can't just drive into there and that's parang...
Tsaka nung nag-interview
formal
ako,
yung suot mo
puta ka
and
na,
everything.
formal din yung suot ko kasi if you go to a job interview, you look like shit. Mababa na agad expectations sa'yo ng tao.
Yung makeup mo, di ba, nabasa ka?
When you show up basa ka, would it be like a nice story? So,
No. They don't care.
Pretty
That would be a nice
unprofessional.
story for you, gago.
Like if if you have ever experienced job interview, you gotta be professional. Even aesthetically wise, you gotta be professional.
Damn.
Ano
Ay,
tawag?
basta ang daming angle sa shit na to na none of it is good, you know.
Ang naalala ko, naalala ko yung, what was that movie? Yung kay Will Smith.
Oh yeah,
The Pursuit of Happiness.
Pursuit of Happiness. Yes.
Okay. So, pinuna siya kasi he went to an interview without, his suit on. Diba?
Mhm.
And then, ang suit niya doon was like his work clothes na na puno pa ng pintura kasi he was painting his house. Tinanong ng job interviewer, like, where's your shoes? And then, ano yung tanong sa kanya? Like, if you were me, would you accept someone who's not in a suit or who's not wearing a suit? Tapos ang sagot ni Will Smith, then he probably had a really nice pair of shoes. Ganun. Tapos tinanggap siya dahil doon. Oh, you guys didn't watch them. You guys didn't watch
No.
it. So
I have watched the movie. I have watched the
Maybe
movie.
yung pagka-story mo like makes no fucking sense.
yeah.
Okay.
I think
Feeling
it's
ko
one of
kailangan
those
panoorin
things.
namin
So
para...
forget about it.
Like those things na it only happens sa movies type shit.
Actually, it's a real, it's inspired by a true story.
Okay.
Chris
Anyways,
Gardner.
going back to the Wata Wata Festival. So you get wet, you wanna go to work, it's mendokse kasi basa ka. You don't you don't deserve this na mabasa ka and you go to work.
Ano pa daw siya?
Ang point ko, isang point ko na gusto sana i-come across is yung mga boss or yung mga nagmamanage dun sa mga employees na nabasa. Like, why would you reprimand them if they didn't go to work after nila mabasa?
I think that's not the issue. I think that's not the issue. Ang issue is like yung mga taong gumagawa ng mismo.
Fuck the festival. Fuck the festival.
Not the festival itself.
No, fuck the people do it nang babasa ng mga tao at ng what do you call this, ng perwisyo. Okay, kasi hindi naman dapat yun eh.
Issue.
That's assault.
That's the issue.
That's literally assault. Kahit sabihin mo festival, it's assault namang basa ka ng tao. Pero there are also what do you call this, stories na ano daw sila sa trabaho nila kasi hindi sila pwedeng magtrabaho na basa. Which is totoo naman. Pero I don't think they should be reprimanded for that. At isa pa nangyari, wala naman nagreklamo nga yung mga tao about sa mga nambasa. Wala naman ginawa rin yung gobyerno. Pinaano lang sila. Nagkaroon ng press conference. Kasi si Boy Dila. Binigyan ng problema.
Doon na ba tayo doon? Doon na ba tayo sa...
Let's jump into that. Let's jump into that.
Jump na tayo doon.
Yun yung mga ganong klaseng tao. It's like, yung mga ganon, nakaasar na nga. Puta nga na, parang nagka-clout ba siya after that incident? Yun ang ginawa niyang personality just to like, wala naman nasaktan. Yung inaasar pa niya yung mga tao na
I have a story.
Tapos tapos yung mga tao bigla, pag nahuli ka, walang bagong like yung attitude mo, wag ka magbabago. Maya nung nahuli ng mayor, pero nag-sorry, nakagano na siya eh.
Sinagda sa PR.
Bro,
sa GC.
nag-sorry siya kasi siguro, kinuntsubahan na yun ng mayor. O mag-sorry ka na lang sa para mabangayan natin kasi kasi pag ikaw nakulong ka, wala na tuloy mag-celebrate ng festival natin. So, sorry ka na lang, okay? Tapos bigyan na nating helmet yung Grab rider na binasa mo, okay? O yan, and it's gonna look good on camera kasi mag-election na, gago ka dito. Don't put me on the spot, bro. Ganun yung nangyari. That's how it is, man.
Alam mo, minsan na parang
Bro, wait. After that incident, yung public apology siya. Ayun, naging vlogger na. Isa na naman kabubuhang tao ang pinasikat ng mga Pinoy.
Pagkakala ko,
vlogger. Ewan ko sa mga Pinoy,
bago mahuli.
minsan ang bubullshit na pinapasikat yung mga ganong tao.
Yeah, that's a problem here. Like, people na gumagawa ng parang negative attention towards themselves. Yun yung mga sumisikat. Parang...
pero di naman magtatagal yun eh. Alam
Still
naman
though.
na natin yun eh, di ba?
Still though, like, there are a lot of other vloggers right now na sikat na ngayon sa Pinas because they did some stupid shit noong una to get attention. And then, parang somewhere along their career, parang inayos na lang nila or revamp nila yung content nila. Parang kumbaga, parang may redemption arc.
Redemption arc. Pero may source ako.
Oh, ano yung source mo, Trinil?
May source ako, okay? So, lumaki daw agad ulo nung tao na yon. Tapos, yung TF, like, may nakita ko sa mga Facebook ganyan na yung TF daw mga 15K agad. Ganyan. Hindi, may nakita ako video na 15K daw. Then, ang ginagawa niya, di ba, ewan ko, hindi naman ako nanonood sa tao na yun. May video daw na parang nagbibigay siya ng mga pagkain, ganyan, sa mga tao, riders, ganyan, para daw give back. Sponsor daw yun. So parang, alam niyo yung cycle ng parang kindness. Na parang bibigyan ka ng sponsor, tapos kukurot ka doon, tapos bibigay mo sa, para pakitang tao lang. Diba? Yun ang ginagawa.
Ano nangyari sa kanya?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko alam naging yun
Kasi nung sa nagkwento sa akin, sabi, bigla daw lumaki ang ulo agad. Gusto daw agad. Pera, ganyan.
Ganun talaga pag vlogging. Yan mo si Chris, nag-post siya ng Anya. Si Gloco, nag-post siya ng free rin. Si Tony, nag-post siya ng beanie niya. I'm just saying, bahid ng pera yun.
Hindi, I mean, yun nga, diba?
I get you. I'm just joking. I'm joking, bro. What the fuck?
Hindi, I mean, medyo lang ako na, parang nabibisit ako sa mga ibang Pinoy.
I get what
sa
you mean.
mga Pinoy mismo na, bakit? Bakit, guys?
Bakit nyo
Diba?
pinapasikat?
Bakit nyo pinapasikat ang mga taong
hindi
hindi dapat
yung
sumikat?
Pinoy Israel? Bakit si Boy Dila? Mas marami pa siyang crowd sa amin.
Gawa ka na ng issue, Trinil. Gawa ka issue.
Ulit, Trinil.
Ayaw kong ganun. Di ako ganung tao eh.
I think another thing is, dude, on the topic na lumalaki yung ulo, I think nowadays people just wanna start vlogging to get money. Yeah, it's we're on that era na.
Puta na, matagal na, idol.
Like, matagal na nga. Pero I think it's more prevalent now. Kasi fucking kids.
Lantaran na ganun.
Lantaran na talaga. Na parang once you get clout, you wanna fucking monetize. They wanna monetize this. Or the reason why they wanna get clout is to get monetized. So, ganun na yung parang behavior ng karamihan ng mga...
ito ba? May isa pa ako.
Ano yun?
May nakita akong video. Ewan ko lang, hindi ko matandaan yung pangalan. Parang nakikipag-collab for podcast dun sa tao na yun. Tapos sabi, gusto daw ng phone gusto daw makabili ng phone kaya ganun yung TF, mataas. Tapos tinanong, ano ba ang gusto mong phone? Parang bibigyan, sinabi, boss, mga lang, iPhone 14 lang.
iPhone 14 lang? Pro Max?
lang?
Pro Max po.
So sa video na tawa na sila ng tawa. Ayos kaya. Pero ayoko pa isipin niya. Ayoko ng mga negative shit sa utak ko.
Damn, negative shit ba yun nila?
Oo. Ang
ano ba
parang
nasa isip mo, John?
Wala naman, to be honest. I'm just tahimik na ako kasi sobrang cringe ng topic eh.
Kaya,
ano ba kasi
sa Wata-Wata Festival, yun yung mismong pinaka kasi, alam mo yun. So hindi pwedeng daanan na
festival nila yun eh. Sa kanila na lang yun. Pag nagalit ka, putang ina mo.
Hindi, ang problema kasi may ordinance na binigay yung San Juan na wag magbubukas ng pinto. Pag sinabi na yung rider na wag basain. Ang problema, pag umayaw yung rider, sila pa galit. Tapos yung mga dumadaang kotse doon, tumatalon sila sa mga hood.
Hindi sira.
Diba, nasisira yung mga yung mga tawag dito, yung mga kotse, yung mga hood ng kotse. Tapos yung motor, bomba daw. Tapos ayaw pa daanin. Ang problema, syempre may mga work. Hindi lang sa basa eh. Like talagang matatrap ka dun eh kasi papalibutan ka ng tao eh. Tapos meron pang isang bus, yung bus, nakita ko. Ayaw buksan. Talagang ginagano nila yung pinto.
Irarusan pa nila blessing eh.
Pinapakyo siya nung nasa loob eh.
Oo.
Pinakyo sa ship yun, magalit.
Yun ang perfect example, okay? Okay lang yung yung festival. Okay lang yung festival. Putang ina, yung nagse-celebrate ng festival, yun ang hindi. Kasi putang ng mga addict eh. Mga putang inang walang putang inang pinag-aralan eh.
Exactly, bro. Exactly.
I agree. Kasi dun sa Cavite, meron din. Pero wala para sa akin.
Kahit saan.
Kahit saan meron.
Pero alam ko sa Cavite, meron silang certain place lang
basta
na nagbabasaan sila. Pero alam ko lang kung nagka-issue doon or natakpan lang nung San Juan.
May certain place?
Yeah, may certain lang, parang lugar.
Yeah, may ganun sa
na malayo sa
bawal
sa highway.
Bawal ka mambasa doon sa mismong doon sa mismong town, doon sa amin. Bawal ka mismo mambasa doon, dapat doon lang sa mga barangay na.
Oo, sa mga places lang na talagang hindi ka Wala sa main highway. Yun yung pinaka-point.
Ito, tanong ko lang. Did you guys have participated in these kinds of events nung nasa probinsya kayo?
Wala sa Longo
What
Ponente.
events?
This is the first time na narinig ko tong festival na to.
To be honest, habang nag-uusap sila si Gloco and Neil about yung napupunta sa work and shit, inisip ko like, there's no way they're gonna cancel a festival.
A festival, yeah.
Diba? Sabi ko, in like, maybe the half 50% of my brain, inisip ko na, what if I go sa San Juan next festival and then may basa din ako. Para this is just see it on the other side. Alam mo yun?
No, I mean, there's nothing wrong with participating in the festival. That's the whole point of the festival. Magbasaan talaga. It's more of like, dapat sa tamang lugar and then wala kasi, Pinoy kasi wala silang konsiderasyon sa ibang tao eh. Okay. Pag happy, gusto nila, kung masaya sila lang.
Majority ng mga nandun.
There's designated place. Ang simple lang naman kasi, basain mo yung gusto mabasa. Huwag mong basain yung ayaw. That's it.
Exactly.
Huwag kang mang-memorize ng tao. That's it. Hindi masundan ng mga mga walang asal eh. So lang nila masaya sila. I really like those videos by the way.
Masaya sila kahit nakakaano sila ng tao.
Siyempre, galit sila sa mundo tsaka sa Pilipinas. Nagkaroon sila ng event na kung saan nila pwede ilabas yung galit nila, di ba?
Parang alam mo, like the way I see it is parang The Purge. For one day they can fucking be they think that they can just be an asshole, you know? Like they have a free pass to be an asshole and just wet other people out.
Tapos pag sinabi blessing daw, blessing.
Blessing.
Yung
Tapos pag nagalit yung taong binasaan nila, putang na, ambahin nila. Kukuyugin nila. Those are my favorite videos.
Nakita ko yun.
Those are my favorite videos. Sila na yung nambasa. Sila pa yung
kinatok pa yung helmet.
Oo.
Sabi, sir, wag po. Tapos umamba pa. Anong isip yun, pre? Tae yung isip. Kainis.
Palatan mo, idol.
Tuloy ako.
There's this one time na tapos yung basaan. Yes, I can go out now kasi walang klase. Yes, I can go out now. I'm gonna enjoy my holiday. Punta ako sa computer shop. Yeah, I'm dry as hell. May nang gano'n sa akin! Sa putang.
May nang alin?
May nang busa ka na tubig. Like, I was just
sa
enjoying my
loob ng computer shop?
Sa loob ng computer shop! Puta na.
Puta, di nasira yung computer.
Ano sabi nila? Feeling ko hindi na yung festival. May galit yun sa'yo.
Wala.
May galit yun sa'yo. Oo, nang bubuli na.
Blessing, boss. Blessing.
Puta ito, pre. Bless.
Black eye sa mukha.
This guy is like fucking 14 years older than me. Fucking asshole. Jesus Christ.
God damn.
Fucking hate people, man.
I hate people.
Maybe today, sakit ng katawan ko, putang inang ginawa namin kahapon. Sakit ng katawan ko, I just feel like shit, you know. I woke up and choose violence and this is like the bad day for a podcast kasi I want everything to burn. Alam mo yung Elmo? Yung meme, that's me, bro. That's what I'm feeling right now.
Nagkakaping aso.
I'm so sorry, bro.
It's fine.
This is fine.
This is fine, bro. Okay, it's all good, man. Kaya nilalabas natin ngayon eh.
Yo.
Ano ba kinainisan mo, John? Sige nga, I wanna hear John's pet peeve. What is something that
lahat ng pinag-usapan nyo, nakabad trip. Walang kwenta.
Dagdagan pa natin. Ano pa?
Walang ambag sa buhay ko.
Ano pa, John? Ano pa bang gusto mo? Buhusan ng galit.
Wala na eh. I'm just done. I'm done, bro.
Damn, bro.
Pero yun lang naman. Sad life. Sad life lang.
Napaka 180 ng podcast ito. Like, last podcast was like
everything.
it's so engaging now. It's just...
I don't get it. I don't know what you mean by walang structure. Like, what's up? Hindi ba ganito?
What is walang structure?
I don't know. Like, ano ba yung nangyari? Hindi ko magets.
Ikaw nagsabi ng walang structure.
Nga, sabi dapat nga maganda pag walang structure. So I don't know the formula yet.
So feeling ko ang ano mo kasi is ewan ko alright, okay. Nandiyan na. Yung walang structure is nagbabatuhan. Which is ginagawa naman natin yun. Nagbabatuhan kami kasi nung pinag-uusapan ka namin, nagbabatuhan kami ng ng mga ginawa mong kabalastugan.
You know what? Feeling ko, maybe I feel ko ako yung problema. Maybe I shouldn't be in this podcast.
No. Maybe you should watch the podcast.
Maybe I shouldn't be in the podcast.
Feeling ko panoorin mo mamaya yung podcast na ginawa namin.
No bullshit.
Para magka-sense ka.
Sa podcast revelation, okay? Actually, nagsulat, I think si Neil nagsulat ng structure. Or like, kami, parang inisip namin na okay, ito yung pag-uusapan natin. Like, 3 ata yung binigay. Punta na sabi ko, what the fuck? 1 oras na natin pinag-uusapan yung first topic. Tapos nag-outro na kami, so di namin pinag-usapan yung dalawang topic. So we were like, we were
nag-ano
branching
ko,
out sa doon lang
oo.
sa isang topic na yun.
So
Parang nagsulat ako ng topic, tapos sabi nyo, fuck that shit. Parang ganun, parang ayaw nyo yung ibang topic. Diba? Tapos sinabi ko, ala naman si Gloco dito pinag-usapan nyo naman ako nung wala ako, diba? Ang problema lang yung pinag-usapan nyo sa akin about sa putang ina nyo. Diba? Sabi ko, bakit?
It was meant to be, bro. It was meant to be,
Pag-usapan na si Gloco at wala siya ngayon. So, yun, doon kami nag-usap-usap, which is, ang ganda ng batuhan namin.
Bakit kaya? Bakit ganun?
Kasi pinag-uusapan Panoorin mo. Totoo nga, napansin na lang namin, oh wow, 1 hour na. Tapos meron pa kami pwede pag-usapan nun.
Baka yun lang talaga, kasi maybe we should stick to what we used to like talk about, like yung mga stuff na ginawa nung, I don't know, like mga high school siguro, yung mga shenanigans
We have
before.
something in common.
Pero,
Kung gusto natin maging insightful kasi people want to know kung ano yung takes natin sa mga bagay na siguro yung mga bagay na alam natin, alam natin.
Oo, saka nakakapag-connect sa kanila. Which
Sabi
is,
natin, magtanong kayo kahit ano sa about YouTube. Puki ng ina, magtanong kayo about anything
nakapag-connect
content
sa kanila.
creation.
Yung mga...
Kasalanan nyo pala viewers kung ano kasing topic binibigyan nyo sa amin.
No, bro! No, wala lang. We have wala tayong masabing maayos. I don't know, maybe may iba kasi siguro kasi nakikinig lang. And then like, gusto na nila malaman.
I see.
Yung take
Or
mo.
like,
Okay.
pero siguro in a podcast standpoint, if you're someone na di mo kilala tong mga taong to,
Putang inang to.
mga 5 bilog na to na nag-uusap-usap, what the fuck are they talking about? Alam mo yun? Why should I give a damn about them?
Tama. So let this be a lesson, guys, sa mga viewers namin.
Yo, what the fuck?
Yeah, bibictim blame ko na yung mga viewers. Gaslight
Napakagaling
Let me
talaga,
gaslight the viewers. Okay.
Marami rin gusto ng
sabi
drama
mo
din
kanina.
kasi talaga. Yung insight natin sa mga drama, marami rin may gusto.
Oo.
Pero
kung-
ang kasi, mas maganda para sa akin, yung mga podcast na evergreen.
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 Yes.
What the
Yung
fuck
hindi
is
na luluma ng panahon.
What is an evergreen?
Damn, bro. Yun ko lang. Parang nanibago kayo nila.
Ngayon ko lang narinig
Ngayon ko lang.
yung term na
Parang
yan.
may bago kong wisdom.
Dahil parang yung sa YouTube, di ba evergreen yung mga video dun?
What the fuck is an evergreen?
What does evergreen mean? Ang ina, ngayon ko lang narinig si Trinil naging deep. Alam mo yun?
Alam mo yung evergreen na iba yung naisip ko sa evergreen na yun eh.
What the fuck is this?
Damn, bro.
Having foliage that remains green and functional through more in one growing season. What the fuck are you saying, bro? You're
Ano ba
just
sila-
making words.
Ano ba sinasabi mo evergreen? Yung evergreen na nag-block ng kanal sa Suez?
Sinong evergreen? Yung ex ko ba? Nung
Ex ba ni John?
Dota era na?
Flashback sa akin eh.
Si Evergreen ba yung...
Ito, what is evergreen content in YouTube? Videos that remain relevant and valuable to viewers over an extended
Yan.
period. Often for years or even indefinitely.
Pwede mo naman
Gets?
kasing...
Damn.
Kasi yung mga San Juan, yung mga ano yan, kasi
Oh.
nalalaos yan, nawawala na
Yeah,
yan.
nangyari na. It's
Diba?
already, it's already 2 weeks.
Pero, yung mga sabihin natin, eto, ang daing nag-ano sa comments dito na, ano yung mga kagaguhan nyo no high school, mga experience nyo,
Oh.
which is evergreen. Kasi makaka-relate sila.
Tama.
'Di ba?
Tama.
Kahit matanda na sila, 'di ba?
Oh, see?
And eto pa yung mga kunyari, nag-go-kart tayo kunyari, 'di ba? So,
Kunyari.
pag-usapan natin yung
kunyari.
evergreen din yun. Kasi, syempre, ay, nung aso go-kart kami, ang bobo nung kasama ko, binangga ako, patay ako. Parang
We'll talk about that soon, okay? We just need to
Diba?
leave it.
Parang mga ganun.
Oh, di ba?
Suggestion ko lang naman, di ba?
So,
Naisip
guys,
ko lang na Neil knew all about this shit and then he still went with his podcast.
exactly, bro.
I mean, I wouldn't
Sige
mind
yan
talking
eh.
about that.
Sige yan, sige yan.
Ikaw wala glow, ikaw talaga.
Guys,
Ito, Pustahan yung yung pag-uusapan natin yung go-kart. Wala na. It's not in our minds anymore. You know why? Because we got restricted of talking about in this podcast. Tingnan mo, madaming podcast na sinabi si Gia na sasabihin niya dito sa mga past podcast. It never went through. The fucking Japan trip, his other Japan trip. What happened to that?
Ha?
What the fuck happened to that?
Hindi, feeling ko, Gloco podcast yun kasi wala naman tayo dun
I
eh.
mean, it's gonna be just me yapping about it. What the fuck?
It's gonna be like, yeah, that's
Ah, okay.
crazy, bro. Gaganon lang tayo,
It's
guys.
crazy, oh.
What happened?
Awa,
Oh,
pumunta
shit.
ka
I mean,
sa,
pwede ko naman-
sa probinsya. Wow, good for you.
I mean, pwede ko naman pag-usapan yun, pero like, I don't think it's gonna be that interesting, you know.
Let's go with
It's probably
podcast.
gonna be, mas maganda siya pag-usapan pag halimbawa nag-podcast ako solo, tapos kasama ko si Deng Chan sa podcast, and yun, maganda.
Ayun, ayos yun. Kasi, syempre, di ba?
Okay.
Pwede natin pag-usapan. Napag-usapan naman natin yung Japan na magkakasama tayo, di ba?
Exactly. Di ba, Ken?
Oh. Di ba, Ken?
Di ba, Ken?
Di ba, Ken?
Ang problema nga lang doon, di ba si Ken hindi makaka-relate kasi wala siya doon.
Kaya wala ako sa podcast na yun. Tama?
Oo.
Pero nung
So, pinag-usapan niyo si Gloco, wala ako doon.
Si Jan muna!
Ang muna. Pinag-usapan natin yung podcast na yun. Puta, it's a week or 2 weeks after. Wala tayong alam. Puta, wala nang nakalimutan ko na yung experience. So,
Tama.
what
Kaya
was
dapat-
supposed to be the
Kaya di ba
yung-
dapat giyan, alam mo na bukas. So,
Anong bukas?
Agad-agad bukas naman.
agad-agad.
Ang ina niya, pwede na.
Gago, bukas
why
alis
not?
ako, gago.
Kaya alis pala siya. At sa linggo.
Linggo.
Sa
Hindi,
linggo,
pag na-upload na.
Friday.
Pag na-upload na yung video para mapanood natin.
Tama.
Kasi
Hindi, mas
people
ayos
will
na,
only-
mas fresh pa.
People will only know kung ano yung napanood nila.
Out of the record to.
You know what?
Feeling
Yeah,
ko-
that's also true kasi
Like, we can
Hindi
explain
tuloy.
shit like,
Hindi tuloy. Dapat fresh pa sa utak natin. Tapos release na lang natin. Pagka-release ng video, yun na lang.
bakit di nyo ba maraalala agad yung mga nangyaring yun?
Siyempre, mas
Kaya-
ayos yung fresh sa... Oo.
Mawawala na sa isip
Hindi ko na alam paano laruin nung naglaro ko eh.
Tang reklamo yan.
Puta, hindi sana pinag-usapan na natin ngayon. Yung nangyari.
Ikaw akala ko yun eh.
kasi
Kasi
yun
sinabi ko kanina, akala ko yun eh. Sabi mo, hindi.
Hindi, kasi
Sabi
yun
niya,
din.
Bedoy, oh.
Yun din
Di
yung
ba
ano.
sabi iba
Wait.
daw?
Hindi kasi yung ano ko, yung mentality ko na para, I think it's better if mapag-usapan natin, like right after maano yung video. Kasi at that point, parang kakakwentuhan na natin yung mga viewers natin.
Puta, saka na lang natin release. Tama yung ni Nel. For once,
Ano lang
Nel
release at
said,
least fresh sa utak natin nung pinag-usapan natin.
Ito,
Kasi
this is
papanoorin
how-
ulit
this is
natin.
how,
Okay, John.
This is how you can milk this shit kung tawagin,
Okay.
Pwede tayo mag-podcast, tas pag-usapan natin yung experience natin doon, Yun na yung
Okay.
topic.
Okay.
Ano, like, wala tayong paki sa video, puta, ma-spoil kayo sa podcast kung gusto nyo. More views for us, puta, gusto nyo ma-spoil, watch the podcast, listen the podcast. And then, pag na-upload na yung video, magre-react tayo sa video, tapos doon na natin sabihin na, okay, ito yung sinabi natin sa podcast, di ba? Double content, puta, Pinoy React Series Podcast, in one. Milk content, ito yung sabi ko eh.
I don't know, man. Like, I don't
Sabi ko
wanna
eh.
spoil the viewers, man. Like, I don't wanna...
At yun na lang. Kung ayaw mo,
Tagalin mo yung mga
Kita,
spoil
di ba?
part. Like, just be generic. Like, ano ba yung feeling,
Okay, ganito na lang.
This is about...
Wait, I have an idea.
What's your idea, bro?
Since gusto nyo ipag-usapan yun agad kasi fresh pa, okay, we record that. Okay, we record the thing, pag-usapan natin yun. Pero, hindi i-upload yung podcast na yun hanggat hindi pa na-upload yung video na yun.
Exactly.
Wow, Gloco, naisip mo yun!
That's the...
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Oh my God, Gian!
You just stole his fucking idea, man!
Kupal ka ba, boss? Boss, kupal ka ata eh. Bingi ka ata, boss! Gusto mo ng steak medium rare, ha? I'm done, bro. I'm done.
But yes, ganun na. Ay, mga ginawa nila Logan nung sa video ni Mr. Beast, that was so nice, bro. That was like big
Pag
brain.
nagka-release doon sila
Like,
nag-release.
nag-ano na sila, na ginawa na nila ng content before pa na-release yun. So,
to.
lumabas puta, sinabay nila. Lumabas, sumakay sila sa wave, bro.
Tama.
Would be nice, you know? Would have been nice o ganun.
Tama.
Okay.
Oh, paano natin tapusin yung podcast?
Tapos na.
What
This is
do you
the
mean,
end. Goodbye.
No, what the fuck? It's only been an hour. What the heck?
Oy,
exactly.
7 na. Pre.
Ano naman?
Ano naman?
Ano
Kinuha
naman?
pa yung
Stuff
bola
to do.
mo.
Yeah,
Kinuha
stuff
yung
to do.
bola nyo. What
Ano?
the fuck?
Lulu, aalis pa akong 40 minutes. Magdadrive pa ako.
Ano naman?
Eh di, kaya yan, 7:20 ha. Pagtapos, alis ka agad.
Mid-podcast, guys, may aalis.
Ano ba yan?
Tapusin
Isa
natin
na
yun.
tayo mag-podcast.
Ano, puki na. Wala ka nang gusto
Wala
mapag-uusapan.
ka
Tapos gusto mo patagalan.
Puta, bukas ulit. Okay?
Wala ka nang matapik. Gusto mo ba 2 hours?
That's the point.
Nangangangaw tayo dito, ha?
That's the point. Okay.
Ano tayo labas ang Patreon?
Gusto mo mangangaw tayo dito na wala tayong mag-usapan, ha?
Okay. Alright, good. So hindi to yung no structure podcast na
You expect.
in-expect
You
ko.
expect.
Oo, panoorin mo kasi yung podcast.
Hindi, panoorin mo yung podcast.
Panoorin mo!
First, the No Structure Podcast.
Imagine
Para malaman mo.
Experiment.
Dahil siya naririnig mo to, akala nagloko eh. Ayaw kasi pakinggan. Pagalitan mo.
Okay. So, basically, we wasted everyone's time for 1 hour. Okay.
No, we still, nag-usap pa rin naman about topics na hiningi nila like weeks before, bro. So,
Tama.
Oh.
Okay, so let this be a lesson na lang. Okay. Wait lang, naghahanap ako ng pagsisisihan na.
Thank you, Patreons! Labas yung Patreons! Thank you so much!
Tinan mo yung mga Patreons. Nakapag-karting kami. And then...
Oy.
Kita mo, ikaw rin nag-spoon. Hayop ka.
Putang ina, pag-uusapan natin. Gago ka ba?
Sabi ko, off the record yun. Gago ka talaga.
Off the record, pwede
Vagina
yun.
floss.
Kasala na yun, putang ina. Para sulitin yung 1 hour na to.
Okay. Bahala ka na doon,
Isama mo yun, putang ina. Sama mo yun. Mag-karting kami.
Ito maayos ako. May structure na podcast sa susunod, The Boys.
Yan, panoorin nyo yun ha.
Napanood nyo na ba?
Ina yun, lumayas kayo dito. Pag di nyo papanoorin yun.
Pinanood namin ni Gloco dito last episode, bro.
Yeah,
Putang sabi nyo sabay-sabay pag pumunta si Chris.
Season 6 na ako. Ay, episode 5 na ako. Episode 5 na ako, ha?
Panoorin mo na, puta. Nanood na si Gloco. Nanood na din ako. Nanood na si
I'm gonna watch.
Speak. Tapos House of
And
the
guys,
Dragons. Panoorin
abangan nyo, The Boys.
The Boys.
Oh, mag-outro ko na giyan.
Hindi pa ako mag-outro. Papagalitan ko pa yung ano.
Thank you, boys!
Guys, let this be a lesson sa mga topic na suggest niya. Huwag niyo na ulitin.
Alam ka na masisihin namin si Deng Chan. Oh, magalit ka.
Ba't niyo sisisi Deng Chan? Sinabi lang naman
Hindi namin
niya.
sinisisi. Wala.
Maganda yung no structure daw. Pero hindi ito yung tamang way.
Hindi no structure, distraction tong ginawa mo. Archaic eh.
Maybe I am the problem, bro. Baka kailangan talaga wala ako. Next podcast, guys, wala si Glow ulit. Tingnan natin.
No.
Experiment lang tayo.
Dito ka.
Yeah, just
Next
experiment.
podcast after
Wala ka wala, pre.
After 10
I wanna see.
weeks.
I wanna actually see. Punta kasi, sabi kasing topic si Glow ko. Ba't ko papanurin isang podcast na tungkol sa akin yung...
Yung pag-usapan nyo sa akin, pinanood ko eh. Kahit nasasaktan ako eh.
Nah, bro.
Tapos ikaw di mo papanoorin.
I want a podcast where you guys are talking about random shit. Okay? Na wala ako. That's what I wanna hear. Yun yung gusto ko.
Hindi, ikaw pa rin pag-uusapan namin pag umalis ka.
Kasi, okay.
Wala ka wala.
Papunta UK, ganun na lang.
I'm trying to do a research here. Research study kung anong magandang structure ng podcast natin. Kung wala ba ako or...
I-comment nyo chat kung anong gustong structure.
I wanna see like what kind of topics you guys are super engaged in pag wala yung putang inang bahid ng bias ko sa mga topics na ino-open ko. Okay, yun yung... I wanna see that.
Sige.
Nice. Alright. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this piece of shit podcast. Next time, we're gonna talk about karting or kung ano man na topic na hindi pa...
Karting The Boys.
Kung hindi pa na-upload yung Pinoy's Choice episode na yun. Let's go. Cheers!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.